Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So today I have another Stitchfix unboxing. I still have two more like fall summer type of boxes because it was still kind of warm when I got back from my vacation. So after these two, I'm gonna go to a light weather because it does get probably in the 60s at night. So thank you so much for stopping by, and let's see what's in it. This is kind of a small box. I've been getting small boxes because I haven't been getting really many shoes. So let's see what's in here. I think this is gonna be, let me check, but I think I'm at over 100 Stitchfix boxes. And I probably still have Susie. I always request her because she's used to me and some of my pickiness. And this is my 110th Stitchfix. Can you believe that? And let's see what's in here. This is the price sheet that comes with your Stitchfix. And then we have the note, and I always read my notes kind of in private. And of course I still have Susie. And then they put the style card, the different ways you can style. Now, I'm on a Style Pass, which I think most of everybody is, which is $49 a year. I don't know if they're gonna change it and up it, but right now, they have 25% off on anything that you buy in their style shop. So you can buy one item and get 25% off. So you probably want to head over to Stitch Fix, and if you're not already signed up, you should sign up. I do have a link for $25. So $25 you'll save on your first box, and then you get 25% off on their sale that they get going on there. So whether you use my link or somebody else's link, if you haven't signed up, you want to sign up. And if you're signed up, you want to head over there and take advantage of that 25% off. And then of course the return envelope and just some stuff in here. And then we have, you know, now they have Stitch Fix for men, they have Stitch Fix for kids. I think my little grandbaby is still a little too young for Stitch Fix. And then we have our bundle. And you can, they send you like 10 items to pick from before they send it out. And you can pick up to 5 of those items. Or you can just say, I only want one, or I don't want any, and then they'll surprise you. And so I did preview this fix, so I know what's in here. And I did like everything, but you don't know until you get it home, sorry for the noise, and try it on to see if you're actually gonna love it on you. And that's the way you tell. If you absolutely love it on you, then it's a keeper. So the first thing is by Pink Clover in a size large, and it's the Aviana knit tank in an off-white. And I did kind of like this. I thought it was different. Again, it's more of a summer top. And we are going to Riviera Playa. It's near Cancun, just for 5 days. So it's not a big trip, but I thought I would need something because it gets humid, it might rain. So I thought I'd just like something fun to wear. The guys will be golfing, so it's just the woman, and the best part of the trip is I get to see my grandbaby. So I thought this was nice. And again, I'm in to a large, sometimes even an extra large, so I'm hoping that it fits. And the next thing is a Paper Moon, and it's called Ashawa V-neck knit top off-white. And again, it's in a large. And it was hard to tell from the picture what kind of material, but it's really, really soft. And again, I'm more of a gray, black, white kind of person. And I really thought this was kind of cute. And if you could feel it, let's see what the material is made of, because this is really comfortable. And of course, I can't see what the material is. It's somewhere. And I wash most of these tops on delicate, or I hand wash them. So I thought that was nice. And the next thing I know is a skirt. I just love their skirts, or skirts in general. And, oh wait, no, I lied. I'm a liar, they're almost the same color. These are, I did not pick these out. Susie picked these out. These are Skechers Go Walk Pant full length in navy. I am not a leggings person because I feel my tummy is just huge. So leggings to me accentuate your stomach. But in the picture, they looked really cute. They're elastic. I don't know if they're gonna fit. Since I don't buy joggers often, I really don't know how to size myself. And these are in a medium. So if I like them, if I can even get them up past my knees, I would probably have to size up to a large. And they have pockets on the side for your phone. Now, I'm not really one that goes out and walks or, you know, hikes or anything where, you know, I need to really have a pocket for the phone, but it's nice. I don't see any other pockets. They have this little, I don't know what you call it, seam on the leg. I don't know if that's for extra stretching. And then they're just a straight bottom. But I thought they were different, and I was hoping they'd be comfortable because I'm looking for comfy, and I love the Skechers brand. And then on the back, they have the little, you can see the little Sketcher thing there. And in the inside, they have the Sketcher. So they're really cute, but I don't think I'm gonna get them around the old muffin top. So if I can get them to where I can tell how they look, I would probably get them in a larger size. And I'll go over pricing during the try-on. And then there were, I just love Stitchfix shorts because they have, these are the 151. I probably have 6 pairs of these in every color. I think these are probably a 5-inch. Let's see, they're the 151 Royce double button skirt in green in a size 8. But I'm thinking they might be a 5-inch. They give you the extra buttons, kind of the safari look. They have buttons on the back. It's a little difficult. They have the 2 buttons on the front. So sometimes the belly roll kind of pulls over, but I kind of like the color. They'll go with both the tops. You'll see in the try-on. They go with both the tops that Susie sent me. So I do like that. And then the last thing that I thought I was getting before was the skirt. So they were kind of the same color. And this is in a size 8 by Tribal. And it is the skirt. Very wrinkled. All that traveling the poor thing had to do. But this is the skirt, and I just love wearing these because obviously you have that under protection. So it's got pockets in the front. It's kind of dark, so it's hard to see, but it's got the pockets in the front. And again, I like the dark color. It's got the stretchy, so hopefully this will fit. And again, it looks just like a skirt, but it has the skirt underneath, and it would go with both of those tops. So I could just really pack this whole outfit, except for the, obviously I need a bathing suit, and be ready to go on my trip. So if you give me a moment, I'll be back with the try-on. Okay, I'm back with the first outfit. I have on, what do I have on? The Pink Clover Ivana knit tank in off-white. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. This retails for $34. And then I have the 151 Royce double button short in green, size 8, and it's $40. And I'm not sure, of course I'm filming outside and somebody has to make all sorts of noise. I do love the top. Again, it's in a size large, but because my stomach's showing, I might have to size up to an extra large. So hopefully they'll have it. It comes up to like the top of the short, but it's feeling kind of tight. I'll turn around. So I'm not sure. I think I'd feel more comfortable in an extra large because this belly just does not want to go away. And then I have it paired with the shorts, but I do love the colors in this top. So I'm thinking, depending on every shorts, it's got the double button and there's actually an inside button here. I didn't do it, too many buttons for me. And it's got the pockets. And again, I believe this is a 5-inch inseam and I just love the color. I'm not a real big green person, so this doesn't scream green. As you can see, the green palm leaves, but it's just a subtle green. Again, it goes great with this top. I have other tops it would go with. It's got the little side slit here. I'll turn around. And I really think this is a fun outfit. I can't do the tuck because I have that muffin top. But so far, I think the first outfit is a keeper. And I'll be right back with the next one. Okay, I'm back with this next outfit. And there'll be no laughing. Okay, you can laugh all you want. I don't care. I have on the, what is this? This is the Paper Moon Ashawa V-neck knit top. They're calling it off-white in the large, and it's $38, and I absolutely love it. It looks like all the other tops in my closet, but I'm loving the pocket, but it is just so soft, easy to throw on. Again, I probably have the stomach issues. I don't know if I can size up. The only reason that it's not bothering as much as the last one is I'm wearing these Skechers and it is pushing and shoving in every area of my body. And so I have the Skechers. They're the Go Walk pant full length. They're in the navy. And I want to say that Susie picked out the size. I don't think I picked out a medium. I love them. I'm gonna size up in a large because I think they would fit perfect. They're $49. And so I fall all over. So this is the top. And I like the length. I like the V-neck. The stomach isn't sticking out as much because if you see these pants, they are pushing and shoving, but they're too small. I mean, I could not go on all day wearing them, and especially, obviously I'd have to wash them, I could hand dry them, but I think if I got the large, I'd be more comfortable. They have a lot of tags. They have the side pocket here. I think if I sized up, I could put the phone in. But the length is perfect. I will show you the length. This is the back, how they fit. Obviously, I'm not wearing the right underwear with these, but I love them. They fit really good right here. Most of the leggings, that's the part I hate about it. Oh, I have men. I'm trying not to talk too loud. They're not my men. They're random neighbor men. So I'm gonna try and I hope this is something. So that's the length. Of course, I've got sandals on. Let me see if I can tip over and show you this is the length. I mean, obviously I would wear them with gym shoes, or if I dress them up, I could wear them with boots. But they are so soft. I didn't think I would like these, but the band is perfect. And sorry about that. So I really like these. I'm hoping they have them in a large, and I'll be right back with that last skirt. Okay, I'm back with the last skirt, or the last item, which is a skirt, is the Tribal Remington Slit Pocket Skirt in navy, size 8, and it's $54. I'm thinking that this is the most expensive thing in the fix. So, see if I can pull you. It's navy blue, and I absolutely love the color. Of course, ignore the pot, but it's an elastic band, and I have a lot of room in this, so I don't need to switch sizes. And then it's got the pleats here, so you just have to like cut into it, and then it'll show the pleat. But these are so comfortable, so smooth and short. You can wear it with like almost any type of top. I just kept on the top with the last thing I wore. You can wear it like, I can wear this on the plane with some nice shoes and a jacket. I'll turn around and show you. So I really like this. So we can do the recap. You know what your favorite piece in this box was. I thought Susie did a great job. I mean, it isn't a wow, you know, it didn't have shoes, it didn't have accessories, but it had what I needed. And you're gonna laugh, but those joggers were almost like my favorite piece, because I don't have many of those and I need them. So if I bought this entire fix, it would be $215, which is not bad for 5 pieces. And I did have Skechers in there, and Skechers aren't cheap. And if I get the buy all discount, 25%, it takes $53.75 off my box. It would come to $161.25, which is not bad for 5 pieces. So do I keep everything? I mean, especially with Stitchfix, Matt. And then you have to add tax, probably 13 or something. Arizona's got some crazy tax. So it would be probably about $170. So I don't know, guys, what do you think? Leave me your comments below. Don't forget I have that discount, and go check out Stitchfix because they have that 25% holiday special. So as always, and if you're not subscribed to me, why not hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button so you get notified on my future video. Give this video a thumbs up if you're returning. Thank you so much, and you guys have an awesome day.